Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking the essentials. You need a clean lens and even light. Wipe the camera gently so dust or fingerprints don't blur the pattern, and move to soft, diffuse light rather than harsh glare. Once done, hold the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches from the QR and keep the code centered. This helps autofocus lock. Make sure no case edge is blocking the lens and that you aren't too close or too far for the scanner to read. Next, optimize focus and app behavior so the reader can decode the pattern. You should tap the QR on the screen to force focus and then pause until the camera settles. Motion blur destroys contrast. If the scanner app has a continuous scan or high-resolution option, enable it because more pixels make decoding easier. Also disable digital zoom, which reduces detail. Instead, use a tripod or firm. Finish by letting the scanner collect enough clean data to interpret the code. Slowly move the camera nearer or farther while keeping the QR centered. Small distance changes help the algorithm find edges and timing patterns. If that fails, switch to a different scanner app or use your phone's document scanner to capture a still image and decode that image, since some apps analyze photos better. If you're scanning a printed code, reprint at higher contrast and at least 300 dpi. Reprinting often fixes unreadable code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.